It's crazy how quickly some people want to give up hope, especially when it comes to cryptocurrency or any investment for that matter. When it's going good, everything is going great. At the slightest hint of inconvenience or the slightest, I guess, pullback in price action, people think that the world is ending and everything is done. That's what we're seeing in PEPE right now. A lot of people saying that PEPE is done, it's over with, it's had its moment, and we're going to be moving on to something else right now. I find that extremely difficult to believe with some of the numbers that we are seeing right now. Do not forget, we're in a bear market. Do not forget that everything in the crypto space is pointing to losses in the crypto space, but PEPE has been able to grow and thrive despite all of that. Guys, I'm going to go over some numbers in this video. It's just evidence that PEPE is not done, but could just be getting started. So let's discuss it. If it sounds like something you're interested in, let's get started. Let's get started. What's up, everybody? I'm Clay. I'm here to make 2023 the best year ever. If you haven't clicked that subscribe button, make sure to subscribe to the channel. Join us. Become a bro. We are here every single day, and we are growing our portfolios together. Now, look, if you guys are brand new to investing, you don't know how or where to buy stocks and crypto, you got a link in the description below for Webull. Super simple to set up your account. Any deposit, you guys are getting at least 6 free stocks, up to 12 free stocks, and a $1 crypto trade is going to get you $5 in free crypto. If you guys want crypto exclusive exchanges where you can buy, sell, trade, short, leverage, all that good stuff, you get KuCoin and Binance down there. Now, KuCoin and Binance, they offer rewards for the more active traders, so the more you trade, the more you're going to earn. But please be aware, if you guys are holding on those exchanges, it is going to be considered a loan to those exchanges. So if you want to mitigate that risk and make it your asset, you need to look at a cold storage or DeFi wallet. Guys, it is very important to judge market sentiment and an investor sentiment when looking at anything. Stocks, bonds, the overall economy, if you're looking at specific companies, if you're looking at cryptocurrencies, the overall crypto market, it's very important to gauge investor sentiment, because if investors are not willing to invest, well, of course prices are going to go down. And that's what the majority of investors are going through right now, is an unwillingness to put their money out into the market because, of course, a twofold reason. One, the economy is in shambles at the moment. You know, you're going to look at the news, they're going to tell you unemployment's at historic lows, everything is great, but you know the reality of the situation. You're paying more now than you've ever paid for anything in your entire life. Things are hard to come by. Every store you come across, restaurant you come across, they've got not hiring now or now hiring signs in their front window. They're understaffed, underworked, overpaid, or underpaid, underpaid and overworked. Nobody's underworked and overpaid. That'd be nice, but that's not the situation. So the economy's not doing very good, and that's why people aren't putting their money into investments right now. On top of that, why would you risk your money for a 7% annualized S&P 500 return when you can go to the bank and get 5%? So that's another mentality that people have. But let's look at PEPE real quick, because PEPE it's been different over the last 3 weeks than the previous 3 weeks. PEPE's volume has been declining instead of inclining. PEPE's price has been declining instead of soaring. So people are beginning to think that PEPE is done and PEPE is over with. Today, the volume is down 11% again, going from around $120, $130 million yesterday to $110 million today. Now, this is still higher than major meme coins out there, but much, much lower than the $1+ billion we saw in volume just a couple of weeks ago when PEPE was soaring to all-time highs. So volume is down, the price is down slightly. It may be bottoming out in this 140 to 150 point per coin range, and users or holders, I should say, are growing, but growing slow. So we have added a couple more hundred users. We are currently at 116,403 wallets that hold PEPE. Now, these might not be fascinating. Those numbers right there are just the statistics, but I really want to go over the social media numbers for PEPE. You could think that the game is done. You could think that nobody cares, but they do. PEPE right now, the price is down 10% over the last week. It's unexciting, uneventful. It's not even very volatile. Been holding steady between this 150 to 140 point per coin range, and Pepe doesn't seem to be moving like it was just last month. Social media mentions, down in tune, 10.1% lower than it was the previous week, but those numbers are extremely elevated. 575,000 mentions over the last week. Guys, that is not a low number. It might be declining, but people are absolutely talking about Pepe. When you go to social media engagements, 6.13 billion social media engagements for Pepe. How could you possibly say a coin is dead? How could you possibly say a coin is done when it's gathered 6.13 billion likes, comments, retweets, shares, whatever engagement you're measuring there? When it's had 6.13 billion engagements over a 1 week period, you cannot claim that Pepe is done, that it's over with. People are talking about it. People are looking at it. People are waiting. Here's the thing that a lot of people, my goodness, it should irk you a little bit, right? Here's the thing that people are looking at right now in the investment space. They only want to get in as it's moving higher. They don't want to get in now and be a part of the gains. They only want to get in as it's moving up. So the 6.13 billion engagements, the 575,000 mentions, these people are sitting and these people are waiting. And when Pepe begins to roll again, you could see some fantastic movement, much greater and much faster than you saw before. Pepe exploded last month. Pepe could just destroy and explode once again as soon as people see a little bit of life. It takes a spark to start a fire, and that is exactly what Pepe could see. So I want to know what you guys think. Down in the comments below. Those are the numbers. Pepe might be down in volume. It might be down in price, but the social media statistics are through the roof. If Pepe runs, how high do you think that it's going to go? I think we could touch new all-time highs. I want to know what you guys think. Let me know down in the comments, and of course, if that button right there is still red, make sure to click it, subscribe to the channel, join us, become a bro. We're here every single day, and we are growing our portfolios together. You guys got Claybro883 everywhere. You're getting 6 to 12 free stocks on Webull. You guys got KuCoin and Binance down in the description. Free crypto, free stocks. If you guys sign up, make a deposit on those. And until the next time, hope that each and every one of you have an awesome day.